Deburring is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the removal of burrs, which are small, unwanted pieces of material that are left on the surface of a metal part after it has been machined. Burrs can cause problems in the manufacturing process, such as interfering with the fit of parts or causing damage to machinery. Deburring is an important step in the manufacturing process that ensures the quality and functionality of the final product. There are several methods used to perform deburring, including manual deburring, mechanical deburring, and chemical deburring. Manual deburring involves using hand tools to remove burrs, while mechanical deburring uses machines such as grinders or sanders to remove burrs. Chemical deburring involves using chemicals to dissolve the burrs. The method used depends on the type of material being deburred, the size and shape of the part, and the desired finish. Berkness Company, a manufacturing company that specializes in metal fabrication and machining, offers deburring services to its customers. With over 60 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has the expertise and equipment necessary to provide high-quality deburring services. They use a variety of methods to perform deburring, including manual deburring, mechanical deburring, and chemical deburring, depending on the needs of the customer. Berkness Company understands the importance of deburring in the manufacturing process and is committed to providing its customers with the best possible service. They work closely with their customers to understand their needs and provide customized solutions that meet their specific requirements. Whether it's a small part or a large production run, Berkness Company has the capabilities to handle any job. If you're interested in learning more about deburring and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. Their team of experts is available to answer any questions you may have and provide you with a quote for their deburring services. With their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, you can trust Berkness Company to provide you with the best possible service. FAQs. 1. What is deburring in manufacturing? Deburring is the process of removing sharp edges, burrs, and other imperfections from metal, plastic, or other materials after they have been machined or cut. This process is important for improving the quality and safety of the finished product. 2. What are the different methods of deburring? There are several methods of deburring, including manual deburring with hand tools, mechanical deburring with machines such as tumblers or vibratory finishers, and chemical deburring using acids or other chemicals. The method used depends on the material being deburred, the size and shape of the part, and the desired finish. 3. Why is deburring important in manufacturing? Deburring is important in manufacturing because it improves the quality and safety of the finished product. Sharp edges and burrs can cause injury to workers or end users, and can also affect the performance of the product. Deburring also improves the appearance of the product, making it more aesthetically pleasing and easier to handle. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.